Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to insert and retrieve data from MongoDB database using ASP.NET application. First thing, you should know how to install the MongoDB and how to connect with the MongoDB with the MongoDB Compass. So these things already I did, and you can follow my video for the MongoDB installation and accessing from the MongoDB Compass. But in this video, we're going to learn how to insert and retrieve data from MongoDB. So first step, we'll create a web application in Visual Studio. Then we'll just MongoDB package from the manage NuGet Packages, and next we'll just create some field to insert the data into the MongoDB database. Then we'll write the code on the code behind page to get the data or insert the data. Whatever the code will be there, we'll write that. So one by one we'll go through that. First, create the ASP.NET web application in Visual Studio. Visual Studio installation already done. So this is my Visual Studio. I'm going to the file, there is a new, and I'm clicking the website application and template. I'm just selecting the Visual C#. I'm taking the empty website and I will give the name. Retrieve data the name of the project is insert retrieve data from MongoDB. I'm copying this name. I'll keep it for my database name. Click on OK. Go to your Solution Explorer. If Solution Explorer is not visible there, go to your view and click on the Solution Explorer. It will appear in anywhere on this page. And here we have a Chirags insert retrieve data from MongoDB, and web.config file is there. Web.config file is a configuration file. Whatever we'll write the configuration for the MongoDB and for this particular application, we'll write into the web.config. Next, I'm going to create one page. So right click on your name, application name, go to the new item, add new item, and click on the web form name. If you want to change the name, then you can change. I'm just leaving the default.aspx, and I'm placing the code in separate file. Click on add. So .aspx page is created. Let me create the form table style margin here I'll take one label. So go to your toolbox, create, click on label, double click on label. Label will be created here. If you want to give change ID, give the name. I'm taking one h1 tag. Their information. I need one text box. Go to the toolbox, Click on text box, text box will appear here. The placeholder, so placeholder I'll write the enter. Similarly, right click, control C for copying the line, control V, control V. Here I am taking the first name, first underscore, let's take first underscore name, then last underscore name, and last one is so placeholder. I'm putting placeholder will be visible on the inside the text box. I need one button. Go to the toolbox again, double click on button, or you can drag and drop also. Both the way it will work. I'm creating submit button. I'm giving the SBT button ID for that, and for the text, for the button text, I'm putting here. Let me run this page. Okay, all the text boxes are coming in one line. I'll just simple HTML. I'm going to write the text number. Looks better. User information, there is a first name, last name, and email, and placeholder inside the text box. Whatever the coming, we have written in the placeholder. So enter your first name, that is written in the placeholder. Enter your last name, enter your email, and submit. Whenever I click on the submit, data should be inserted into my MongoDB database. So first connect with the MongoDB. I already installed the MongoDB and MongoDB Compass. You can see in my video also. The video is available. So regarding installation of MongoDB. Now I'm going to with the MongoDB with my local host, and MongoDB default port is 27017. So click on connect. MongoDB is connected. There is a databases are default databases are there. I need to create one database. Just click on add. I want to put the same name. That will be quite easy to remember that. Insert retrieve data from MongoDB. And is the collection name. Collection is table for the MongoDB. We call the collection. Collection name is NuGet. So this is my collection. Just click on create database. Database is created. Insert retrieve data from MongoDB, and user info is my collection name. So click on the find. We don't have any collection, have no data, so we don't have any data in the collection. So I'll insert into the database. here I'll click, I will just create one click equal to, I'll create the new event. Till now we have learned we need the libraries for the connecting to any database. SQL Server library is already there. If you are using the MongoDB, Oracle, Postgre, MySQL, then we need the library. So here I will create, I will connect with the DLL file. So right click on your project, go to the manage NuGet packages. So click here, go to the browse. I am going to write the MongoDB. I need the driver. So this is official .NET driver for the MongoDB. This one core component for the core MongoDB core component, and this one for the Backend library. So I will connect with this one. Let's see there are effective on that or not. So latest is 219, but this is not supporting with my system. I already tested. So I'm going with the 2.10. So click on install. So we need the namespace packages. So for that I'm installing this. So I'm going to click on OK. Here I need the license acceptance. So MongoDB version is going to install, and other are also so MongoDB driver is there. We need mainly MongoDB version and MongoDB driver. So click on OK. The installation is finished. You can able to see there what are the packages added to the my project. So now you can able if you extend the bin folder, there is you can see MongoDB version DLL driver DLL, and for the core also this is installed. Now I'm going to insert the data into my MongoDB. I need the namespaces using MongoDB.version, MongoDB.driver. This thing I need. Dot driver dot version. Now inside the one click, we'll write the code to insert the data into my database. So I'll create one variable. Name connection string is equal to, here I will write the MongoDB connection. So copy the MongoDB connection from your compass. So here copy the connection string, control. So this is my connection string for MongoDB. Now I need to connect. The Mongo client. I will pass the connection string here. database name is so I created the MongoDB client. I put it the MongoDB database name. Now I'll just connect with the collection. Get collection. Then I'll put the JSON document. Here I'll put the my table name. Next, I want to insert the data into the database, so here I'll write insert data. Three field inserting. Similarly, I need here first name. This name will be created on the table. Name here. Here I'll put name and insert data JSON document. I am getting error. Expected this one. Now I have already we are getting data from the form. Now I'll write the code to insert the data into database. So collection dot insert one. You can insert many also. So insert one. Here I'll pass the name. Insert data. Let me run this code. I'm going to refresh this one. Let me submit. Not getting errors. Let me check into the in table. I want to zoom this one. You can able to see this one: first name Chirag, last name and email address. Everything is in database now. Now I'll write some code to this one. Message text my message. I want to create the color of the message. lbl message dot color is equal to system.color dot. Let me refresh again. Just testing purpose. This man is not correct email address. So now I'm clicking on the submit. Okay. I need the vr tag. So data is inserted into the database. Let me check. Yeah. Data is inserted into my database. Now next part is how to retrieve the data from the database. So here again I'm going to create the same table. If you want the header tag, any of the header tag, so you can click Instagram button. After that, I'll just take one grid view for the showing the data into the into the GUI. So here inside the data there is a grid view. I'll write code for the grid view. So go to the CS page. On page load only I'm giving on click or anywhere if you want, when you can give that one. So here I need the connection. So there is a connection. Or you can pass into the same line. This is same thing. Client. Next. Client dot get database. So here I am accessing the database. I want to just read the collection. I am copying the same thing. So here is the collection name is username. From there I'll read all the data. So now I'm writing where documents is equal to collection dot find. So it will find the overall data. Collection document. sn document it is closed. Okay, so bracket is closed now. Array start bracket is. So now we have read all the data from the database where the table name is user. If you want to keep the condition, any condition, then you could write the condition here itself. And next, I need the data tables for keeping the data. So I need here using system.data. Here I just write the data. New data table is equal to new data table. Now I will get the array, so I'll run the array for each. So what we will do the for each one by one. Where for which I have written the documents with the document I am reading from this line. Next, I'll just try to save all the data. So where row is equal to database dot new row and for each again elements. Now I am going to check the columns. Data table. Okay. So data table. Something is missing. Okay. Data table columns are not coming. Let me check. Data table is okay. I have it. Data table I have written like this. Look at the data table name. Data table. Data table dot columns contains and I just check with the element dot name. I expected. Okay, one more. Now I'll just keep the data table the columns inside the data tables. Whatever I will read with the name. After it, row I'm creating one row. On that row I'm just placing the data, and here I'll just add this data to data tables. And I'll row. So first for each we have read the document, then second we document element, then we are running to the document list, added the document to the data table. Now I'll write the code for the grid view data source is equal to data table. Next I have to bind the data grid view dot data bind. Let me check how many data we have. 2 data. 2 number of data are coming. This is the ID auto generated from the database, and this is the first name, this is the last name, this is your email address. I'll put another one. Let me click on submit. Data inserted successfully. Let me reload the page. So Rohit Kumar and rohit@gmail.com. Data is inserted. So I'll provide the code into the YouTube link also, that with the DLL file, so it will be easy for you to just run this application. And this step we already done, and we got the result. So in this video we have learned how to insert and retrieve data from MongoDB database using ASP.NET C#. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.